Find or read reviews that people are talking about SENBONO Smart Watch with Alexa and Bluetooth calls. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Alexa built-in and hands-free convenience. Smart watch with built-in Alexa voice assistant, control music, set reminders, check weather, and access over 50,000 Alexa skills directly from your wrists. Life just got easier. Clear Bluetooth calls anywhere. Smart watch for men/women is powered by Bluetooth 5.3 chip, provides you with a stable connection, make or answer calls directly through the watches, ideal for workouts, driving, or busy days. 1.83 HD screen for exceptional clarity. Fitness tracking watch with HD screen, enjoy vivid colors and sharp details on the ultra-large touch screen, even under sunlight, with customizable watch faces. 120 plus sports modes for every goal. Sports watch from running, cycling, swimming to yoga, monitor real-time stats, calories, distance, duration, for all activities. 24/7 health monitoring. Fitness watch with advanced sensors track heart rate, steps, calories, sleep quality, and stress levels, providing actionable insights for better wellness, not intended for medical diagnosis. IP68 Waterproof for active lifestyles. Smartwatch has IP68 waterproof rating, swim, shower, or train in heavy rain worry-free. Withstands submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Note, high water temperatures can affect water resistance. Seamless iOS and Android compatibility. Sync effortlessly with iPhone and Android phones, iOS 10.0 Plus/Android 6.0 Plus, receive notifications for calls, texts, and apps. Note: compatible with message notifications but does not support replies. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.